Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove double underline in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I double underline on this cell. Select this cell, then go to home menu. Then click this drop down menu. Then select double underline. Now I remove this double underline. Then again press this drop down menu, then use click it double underline. Now you can see I remove this double underline. You can also use your keyboard shortcut to use underline or remove underline. Press Ctrl U to use underline, and also you press Ctrl U to remove double underline. Now you can see I remove double underline in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.